word that's now for Massachusetts. It's from the Paducah office in Kentucky. I know what kind of warning it is, but we'll find out in a minute.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Hamilton County and south central Illinois, southern White County and southeast Illinois until 5:15 p.m.
Oh, it's for Hamilton and White County.
A severe thunderstorm was located near MCLEANSBORO and moving southeast at 35 miles
Near
per
McLeansboro.
hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. A large tree was downed in McLeansboro recently as these storms pushed through.
Jesus!
Are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Norris City, Broughton, and Money. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm issued until 5:15 p.m. in the following counties in Illinois, Hamilton and White.
Yeah, shit.
Significant